Hey, you. Yes, you. Have you ever tried to study but your mind keeps wandering? 1 minute you're reading and the next you're deep in thought about something random. Well, what if I told you that with just a few simple tricks, you can train your brain to be laser focused? No more distractions, no more wasted time, just pure productive focus. Let's dive in. 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll just study for 5 minutes. Once you start, your brain will want to continue. This simple trick gets you going and makes studying feel less overwhelming. 2. Block all distractions. Put your phone in another room, use apps to block distractions, and turn off notifications. Your brain will thank you for it. 3. Reward yourself. Set mini goals and reward yourself for completing them. For example, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. You'll stay motivated and focused. Closing, these 3 simple tricks will help you train your brain like a PRO. So stop procrastinating and start focusing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Lightbulb fire.